Welcome to the big show. This is Investing with Confidence. I am your host, Joshua David, and we are happy to have you with us today. Once again on this program, I do have my good friend, and he is a great pal. He is Mr. Al Connickson. Al, how are you doing today?
I am feeling fantastic, Josh. How about you?
I'm feeling fantastic. We had a fantastic week in this market.
Everything is fantastic.
Yeah, huge drop at the beginning of the week, and it came roaring back, which shows a lot of opportunities. And that's a lot of the things that we're going to talk about here today on Investing with Confidence, sponsored by Online Trading Academy, is the opportunities when markets drop big. Think about this, drop big and come roaring back. The great opportunities there. But I want to talk about Online Trading Academy real quick. Online Trading Academy hit on their 25th year, teaching people skills and techniques to use the markets. Now, that could be for income potential or managing or directing and protecting your retirement accounts, whether it's 401ks, IRAs, regular trading accounts. If you have money into the market, they teach skills and techniques for that. And with this great opportunity this week, Al, the S&Ps actually had a positive week this week. I mean, showing that big drop. The Dow and the NASDAQ roughly about the same there. We talked about the dollar every single week, coming to an area of supply, which is potential sellers. And you know what? The same thing with the S&P 500. So is this market going to continue to drop once it gets to that area of potential sellers? Who knows? But you know what? It just doesn't matter. We want volatility. We want big moves in the markets because our strategy is designed to follow those institutions which are moving the market. Al, what's going on with these markets? What's happening? How can the novice investor, the public, not always get taken advantage of and trade like those big institutions?
Well, the volatility that we're seeing is great. And the reason that there's so much volatility is there's so many significant things going on in the world right now. We still have the coronavirus issue, the border crisis, the Afghanistan
something
issue.
New every day.
There's something new every day. But you know what? And people react to the news, and they react really for kind of a short period of time based on every news story that seems to come out. But the great thing for us, Josh, is that reaction causes price movement quicker into an area that it would have gone into anyways. In other words, that you mentioned supply zone. Where that's where sellers are. And what we want to identify is where the sellers are, where the big sellers are. That's the Wall Street firms, the big people like Warren Buffett, where they want to sell something and also where they want to buy something because their action causes price to move. And when you think about it, if you're going to be in the market, you want price to move, but you want it to move in your favor. So being able to identify where the buyers are, and that's basically unfilled buy orders that will come into the market at some point. Where are they? And then where are the sell orders that will come into the market at some point? The great thing for our students, Josh, is that they have a strategy that they can use that is designed to identify where the big players are going to become active so you can be ready. You can have a trade or an investment set up so as soon as the price hits the level that you've identified using this strategy, then the big boys actually come in and they start to provide a profit for you.
You're right, exactly. And with Wall Street always making money in the markets, they're doing things a little bit differently than what the public is doing.
Sure.
And they're training the public to do those things. But here's a great thing about Online Trading Academy, our sponsors. They have a strategy that's designed to trade with the big institutions, follow their footprints. It's kind of like you talk about an elephant walking down the beach. Mm-hmm. What is an elephant going to do when they walk down a beach? They're going to leave a footprint behind them,
amongst other things. But so, a big footprint.
You're exactly
follow.
right. So if you want to find an elephant, you follow that footprint. If you want to have the potential to find capital in the market, you want to trade like them and find out where they are trading and investing.
Sure. Yeah.
And having a strategy that's designed to have you follow that could be a better potential for you. So, Al, it's the beginning of the show, and we have a lot of listeners that want to trade like an institution, not trade against them, how to follow those institutions, how to find those buyers and sellers in these markets. We have investing classes, Al, that we teach right here in Bloomington. You actually teach a lot of these, and they're 2 hours. They're free. We're located next to the Mall of America, and talks about a rules-based strategy for trading any market or any type of market and any asset class. We talk about other assets, stocks, options, futures, and Forex. We talk about up markets. We also talk about down markets. This great opportunity this week, people missed out on this past week. Well, there's going to be another one, and there will be another one. So now is the time to learn those strategies for all market conditions. So call 952-814-4410 for 2 tickets to an investing class that Al teaches right here in Bloomington. When you call in right now, you're going to receive tickets plus a cryptocurrency foundations course. That's going to help you get an understanding of what cryptocurrency actually is if you want to know more about that, especially the blockchain. Call 952-814-4410 or make it easy. Text the word invest to the number 484848. When you do that, you're going to receive a link back within a text. Click the link, pick a date for this investing class that Al teaches. When you do that, you're going to get that crypto course. And you know what? The best part about that is you get to see Al. Al, what do you have coming up next?
Well, let's talk about the number one rule that everyone knows, but most don't follow.
The number one rule in investing, but how to follow that as well. 952-814-4410 for 2 tickets for a free investing class. Also, a cryptocurrency foundations course, or text the word invest to the number 484848. This is Josh and Al, Investing with Confidence. We will be right back.